Yeah, so what we have to know, Curry?
Yeah, we have a fry some festival, you know. So we already make up a flour. And so it's set already, so we are putting on the iron now and go and fry it. Then we have to do some jerk chicken. We have a chicken we have to clean up. Then we got some fish at all. We have to roast some fish. Fish already clean. So season up. So we have to stuff them with callaloo and stuff. So
Okay.
yeah, so we got doctor, we have grunt, and we got snapper. If you can see they already clean up and season up. So what we're gonna do now, the callaloo and all the stuffing, carrot and everything mixed up, we're gonna stuff the fish then because we're gonna roast them.
Okay. That's supposed to go when it finish, man.
Oh yeah, because roast fish, because everything okra, tomato, sweet pepper, onions, scallion, all of them stuff them together. And you know them our favorite roast fish of Jamaica, Dr. Grunt and snapper.
Wow.
Yeah. Then we have to jump on the grill when we're done later on because the fish are going to go up on the grill too.
Are you going to do some fish today?
Yes. And jerk chicken.
Okay.
Chicken over there, we'll season them up and then we get to this. So they're going for the festival then right now.
Alright.
Yeah. So I make the festival then 15. You know, so the thing work. Gangali
kitchen.
kitchen. Nice and beast and
Yes, I
lick it. Yeah. So the thing set, you know?
Well, some people call them creamy too, right?
Some people call me creamy, some people call me Saddam. I got so many names. Back in Jamaica they call me Ray, they call me Hopayard, they call me Tony, they call me so much name.
Oh man.
Dread, everything, you know? I'm a man with all about all around. Just like a cricketer, play any name. Any side. Yeah, that's me.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, that's what the thing said, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, the original Gangali kitchen.
Originally.
Yeah.
So
this is festival, right?
yeah, this is a festival.
Jamaican style.
Jamaican style.
Alright.
Yeah, really Jamaican style.
Yeah. And they start brown out,
Yeah. That's how they go. When they start get brown, you might get ready. That's our festival here.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. You see, this is festival, you roll them like this.
Yeah.
So, you know, you can hold a portion in the higher.
Okay.
Yeah. So when you're done, I will just season up chicken, right up the grill, really charcoal.
Yeah.
Yeah, really not far, but we're doing that oven, but me not a oven man, you know.
No.
I don't like my thing done that oven.
And the coal is much better, you know.
Charcoal get a better taste.
Better taste and everything.
Yeah, so we're not heat up, you know, still. So
Yeah.
get a few more minutes. We're going to go and fry them festival.
You see outside the rain. No rain not far right now.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do now, I will just show the camera the fish them. Since I don't already finish putting the stuff in, I'm going to put them back in the fridge for a couple minutes.
So how long you season the fish for?
I season the fish for like 30 minutes, make it go on and set.
Okay.
And boil up the stuff in, half cook them, the okra and everything that I mean sometimes the okra kind of tough, so you have to just make it steam first.
Oh, okay.
You know?
Yeah. I can't wait to see the fish, man.
Yeah.
I mean, the fish go taste good.
Oh, you know. everything, because already seasoned up and everything already. Just to stuff them. Fish seasoning, the stuffing up in everything already. Just to stuff them and wrap them.
Okay.
Put them on the grill. And we got the real strong fish, Doctor, king of the fish in the sea.
Dr. Fish.
That's the king of the fish. In the roast fish. Yeah, Doctor Fish. You will name Doctor. Yeah. Some people say raw, but both in the right way, you know.
Yeah.
Depends on the way you do your thing, you know.
Dr. Fish.
Yeah. So, you know, my virgin day, they cook up a star, yeah.
It's some festival.
Yeah.
The original Kangaroo kitchen.
Yeah, so what we do now, we have a festival and fry. Now we put them in the pan.
Okay.
Put them in a fry pan here. So now we have rinse out the fry pan. Then what we do, you know, festival thing where you fry in the high, so you don't want too much oil.
Yeah.
I don't want too much oil pan it, so we have to put this this paper suck up the oil.
Okay.
So yeah. Like how you used to do it. So these paper now, they got some of the grease out of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
You don't want too much grease in
Too
there.
much grease.
Too much grease. That smells good to cream.
Oh yes. Always smell good, man. You might think that this simmer, you know, soak. Official, you know.
Like this sound.
Yeah, because you can't just do thing and make it just do it take time like that.
Yeah.
Nah, but taste good. That's the second them first on them thing, you know. Now you see them start get color, start look brown. You know they're coming on now. If you can see, look at the flour. See the different color where it have, festival. So I'm gonna put down, you see, that's how you know say you're getting ready, almost cooking done now.
Yeah.
And the color start to change. Yeah, so this way now. So now they back in Jamaica with all Fort Lawrence and Gunboat, Buck and there, all them beach there. My favorite thing there, we got beach for eat. Festival and fish.
Okay.
Yeah. Festival and fish, festival and jerk chicken. Yeah. Tradition.
Blessing from above.
Alright, so first